So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. I did this analysis for the 2nd of February. I told you guys clearly that GBP USD will open and close bearish for the day, and this is exactly what market did. Market opened and closed bearish for the day. Exactly what we predicted is what market did. So this is one of the reasons why, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share. Also make your comments so you will not miss out on any single update. So markets did exactly what we predicted it to do. Now for the 3rd of February, we will be expecting market to give us one more drop. Why are we going to be expecting that drop? Is that when you take a look at your 4-hour time frame trend, we are in a downtrend move. This is the current trend. By the way, the main trend, the full bigger trend, says it is in an uptrend move. But currently, market is just giving us a current trend, which is a minor trend, which is a trend market move down to the downside. So this is our first low that market did give us, right? Then here is our lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high, right? Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and this is a lower high currently playing now. So market is currently playing a lower high. Once the lower high finish playing out, we will be expecting market to give us some more sell that will form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move for the day is what we'll be expecting. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.